Hello and welcome back to House Build. This is part 18. So in this episode we are able to hook up the furnace so we can get some heat going. Going to hook it up temporarily to our temporary power until we get the regular power hooked up, and then we can start finishing the drywall. Drywall finishers are here and they're starting to tape all around the house. We'll just take a look at what they're working on all around the house. Got one guy with the tape going all around all the seams inside the closet in the bedrooms right here, and just working his way around the house. Meanwhile, there's another guy that will follow behind him with a mud pan and smooth out the tape that he just installed, work out any corners, any imperfections. And he basically follows the taper as he goes along with the drywall tape. So he's taping the ceiling in the bedroom, the back, and he's got to reload his tape with more drywall mud. Taping off the corners of the windows. Got all the corner bead installed. And continuing to tape all around the house, every seam. So you can see this room has been all taped. Need to do the corners, but all the flat work is complete here. Right now we're in the master bedroom, and let's move out into the garage. You can see the garage is all taped and ready for the next coat. So the furnace has been running all night, so we can start on the next coat. Start the finishing of the drywall and let that coat dry overnight once again. Got one guy working the corners and edges, another guy doing the flat seams, and he just runs over with his drywall seamer here. Can also do the walls, anything flat, he takes care of that. While the other guy's working on the corners. Makes it a very quick process. They'll have the whole house mudded in one day, and then we just wait for it to dry for the next coat. And he has to refill his seamer and continue on down. So once they get done with the lower portion, one guy will put on a pair of stilts and work on the higher sections of the walls, so they don't have to keep going up and down on ladders. He'll just wear the stilts around and do everything he can reach from the stilts, including the ceilings. You can see there's a couple lines here that still need to be finished. So he's going to go over that with his drywall finisher. Looks like they're wrapping up the final few seams here, and then we'll just let it dry. Check back in episode 19 to see the finished product. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. I'm How To Bob. As always, thanks for watching.